Superposition is a method used to find the voltage or current flowing through a circuit that has more than one source of power, like a battery or current source. The Merriam-Webster dictionary defines superposition as the placement of one thing above or on top of another, which is pretty much what we're doing with circuits that have more than one power source. When we're talking about circuits, the superposition theorem states that the current through or voltage across any element of a network is equal to the algebraic sum of the circuits or voltages produced independently by each source. So when using superposition, we have to focus on one power source at a time and analyze its effects on the circuit. For example, in this circuit with a battery and a current source, if we want to find the current flowing through the 10 ohm resistor, we first need to pick a power source to ignore for now. For example, let's start by ignoring the current source, making this an open branch. This creates a simple circuit with the voltage source and two series resistors. The current can be found simply by using Ohm's law. So rearranging for current, this gives us the current produced by the battery alone to be roughly 1.4 amps. Now leave this number aside because we'll use it later. Now to find the current provided by the current source, we'll bring it back into the circuit and get rid of the battery, which shorts this branch. Now we have a current source with two resistors in parallel. So we can use the current divider rule, and after calculation, this gives us roughly 7.06 amps. Now that we have the current that each source individually provides to this circuit through this branch, we can add these together to get the total current flowing through the 10 ohm resistor, which is simply 1.4 plus 7.06, which gives 8.46 amps. And that's superposition in a nutshell, I think.